In this video, I'm going to give you the best free AI image generators I've come across on the internet. So you always see amazing AI images online like these. You've probably heard of Midjourney and DALL-E, but you are not willing to shell out money to access them. And I get it. You already have too much stuff to pay for. With these 5 generators I'm going to give you, you won't feel the need to pay for any image generator. Now let me put a disclaimer. Most if not all these AI generators aren't completely free, but before you click off and rubbish my video, these options I'm giving you do give you a limited amount of free generations either per week or daily. I'll link all the generators I'll talk about in this video down in the description. Let's kick off with Leonardo AI. This is the first text-to-image AI I ever came across. It has an amazing platform. And for you to use it, you need to, of course, register for an account, and you will be given 150 free credits every 24 hours. It has a number of fine-tuning models and free elements you can pick from. It doesn't come with already inputted negative prompts like other AI models do. The best part about Leonardo is that it has this cool motion picture feature. It will cost you extra credits to animate your image, but it's kinda worth it. The tool animates your image to a downloadable MP4 video. The second one is Lexica. You need to register to use this powerful AI image generator. It has a more simpler and streamlined interface compared to Leonardo. It doesn't give you many models like Leonardo and has this easy-to-understand image ratio bar for your images. Another great thing about Lexica is that you can search for images already generated by other users for free. The downside to Lexica, unlike Leonardo, however, is that it only renews your free generations every 7 days, and it's only for 48 images if you are on the free plan. Third on the list is getimg.ai. This powerful tool gives you 100 free image generations every month. It has a number of models you can pick from and creates amazing image quality. It also has an option of image resolutions or ratios you can pick from, and also a negative prompt panel to help you filter out what you do not want in your pictures. Next is Bing Images Creator powered by DALL-E 3, and weirdly enough, you get DALL-E for free here. The easiest way to access this is by getting the Bing app from your app store, and the image generator comes as part of the package. The downside to Bing as compared to Lexica and Leonardo is that it doesn't have an option where you choose the orientation of the picture. They all come standard in a 5x5 square. The greatest advantage of Bing is that you get 100 free boosts at sign up, and when they run out, you will be getting 22 free boosts per week. You get 4 image-generated results for 1 boost. That means you can have almost 100 images every week. And fourth is StableDiffusionWeb.com. Like any other online AI tools, you need to register. Stable Diffusion will give you a maximum of 2 images per generation on the free plan. It has a great simple-to-use interface with amazing styles to pick from depending on your preference. You can easily choose the aspect ratio with an easy-to-use slide bar. Fifth is Playground.com. This is another easy-to-use interface. All you need to do is log in with your Google account and start generating. It has a number of filters you can pick from, and you get 500 free image generations every day. By far the best amount of the ones I've talked about in this video. You can pick the aspect ratio you want your image in. The generations do take a bit of time though, but the quality is decent, so it's worth the wait. The negative side is that the image generations take longer the more images you generate that day. Now that I've given you all the options, you can pick the one you like. Do you have another free or relatively free image generator you would like to share? Also tell me down below the generator you think has the best results from the ones I've given you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. This was Lunasol for Techie and Money. I'll see you in the next video.